Good morning. We're here at America's largest RV show in Hershey, Pennsylvania. It's opening day. We're super excited. There's a huge line outside, and I'm here with Blake Vandervoorde from Keystone Outback. He's a district sales manager, and we're standing in an all-new 2022 Outback, and it is amazing. It looks so much different. Tell me about it.
Yeah, so we completely redid the entire interior of the coach. We were on what we called our modern farmhouse for 3 years,
Right.
and we said that really took Outback to another level. But we said, how can we take it to the next level? And this is what we came up with. I mean, just the two-tone of the light wood and the matte black finish with the brass handlings. Everything is just tied together. The white countertops with the white wall boards. Yeah. It just pops, and it's so modern. It's what you would see straight off of HGTV.
It's so fresh, and I think that when Outback introduced Modern Farmhouse, you were really the first brand to do that, and it really pushed the envelope at the time, and you totally have done it again.
Exactly.
It's amazing. We had Courtney, the Flipping Nomad, and Janine Pettit from Girl Camper in here last night, and they were blown away. They were so excited. I think you guys really have the tiger by the tail here.
Yeah,
Gorgeous.
it's exciting. It's exciting. So let's walk through some of the features
do
in
it.
here.
I
So
love
like I
it.
said, this is our 328 RL. It's our #1 selling floor plan across North America. And it's the #1 seller because of all of the awesome features that we have packed in here.
Yeah.
We wanted to start with residential features in the kitchen. Stuff that we had in our houses that we thought made sense in a camper.
Sure.
So like a pull-out spice rack. Built-in paper towel holders, stuff that opens up your countertop space. But not only that, in the 328 RL, you get 2 refrigerators.
It's crazy.
Now, the cool thing about these refrigerators is they run independently, so you don't have to run both of them at the same time. One can be a pantry, but then when you have family or friends coming over for that holiday weekend, you can fire the other one up and load it with beverages.
So how much space? Show me.
So
how much
you
space.
have 20 cubic
Look
square
at
foot
that.
of refrigeration and freezer space in both of them.
That's amazing.
And of course, they're the 12-volt reefer, which pairs perfectly with our solar flex that we're doing. Every single Outback, not only Outback, but every single Keystone trailer now has solar standard across the board.
Yeah.
So the cool thing about that now is you can run your refrigerators
12-volt
off the
refrigerator.
grid, never have to worry about power again.
Yeah, that's amazing. And really, Outback is the luxury travel trailer brand at Keystone, right? You guys kind of taken this whole travel trailer category and upfitted it to some amenities that we would see on fifth wheels, like some luxury fifth wheels, but they're all here on a travel trailer package.
That's exactly it. Being the premium luxury travel trailer at Keystone, we had to take some awesome features and really step the game up, like you said, to a luxury fifth wheel. So full auto leveling, a full painted front cap.
And new for this year, did I hear on-demand
Oh, yes.
hot water?
On-demand hot water heater.
Huge.
So unlimited hot
Amazing.
water, which is such a great feature that you see in high-end motorhomes. And now we're bringing it to the travel trailer segment.
So cool. That's
So
amazing.
that's exciting.
Show me the living room.
All right, so living room. Every Outback premium unit comes standard with a 50-inch TV and a 48-inch fireplace. The awesome thing about that fireplace, it's a little electric furnace. So if it does get a little chilly at night, it'll take the nip right out of the air.
Yeah, perfect for fall camping.
And not
right?
only that, we upgraded to the Thomas Paine collection, both the trifold sofa and theater seating. What I love about it is just the residential look. Yeah. This doesn't look like your everyday RV furniture.
No, I love it. I noticed right away that you have this leg detail.
Yes.
So it doesn't look so built in like some of the RV furniture can. This nice rolled arm, really beautiful.
Like you said, the attention to detail is really what sets Outback apart.
Yeah.
And then let me show you another awesome feature over here. Breaking down the dinette into a bed has always been a little difficult. We said, how can we make it easier? We want camping to be easy, right?
Yeah.
So we went with the Easy Lift table mechanism by Dream Dinette. So you just flip a lever and you just push it right down. You don't even have to take the stuff off the table anymore.
That's amazing. How handy is that?
Absolutely.
Love it. Hey, can you let Emily see this backsplash here?
Oh, absolutely.
I think it's so pretty. I love the white herringbone tile, subway tile with the black grout. It's just really snappy. It really brings that together.
And one of the awesome things that our plant does is the attention to detail of trimming this out.
Yeah.
It just ties it all together and makes it pop more.
Yeah, I love it. So gorgeous. Well, should we take a look at the bedroom?
Let's take a look at the bedroom.
Let's do it. So here we are in the bedroom. What's going on here?
So 328, like I said, #1 selling floor plan. It's because of the massive bedroom that you get in this.
Yeah.
You have the RV king bed, but not only that, plenty of storage, plenty of hanging space, and also washer dryer prep, which allows a lot of our full-time campers that purchase Outbacks to be able to install a washer dryer, and they're fully functional inside their house. But not only that, of course, we have the exclusive built-in pet kennel in all of the bed
can we
bases.
show people this? It's so great. So look at that. So if you have a pet that you want to put to sleep at night, it's a perfect place to do it. And it's storage. If you don't have a pet, it's terrific storage
And that's
too,
exactly
right?
it. It's a secondary access to your storage point. So if somebody's actually taking a nap and you need to get in there to get a blanket, you can just pop that right open. You don't have to kick them out of bed.
Easy peasy. I love that. And you guys were the first brand, I think, to do a pet kennel.
Yes.
A built-in pet kennel.
Yep.
Yeah, Outback
It's one of those small things that it gets the customer's attention and brings them in.
Well, and everybody, we all travel with pets, right? Who's going to leave their pet
I mean,
at
I
home when
think
you
some
can't?
people like their pets more than their kids.
I do. I think some people like their pets more than their spouses. I'm just throwing it out there. All right.
So let's go and check out the bathroom.
Let's do it.
So one of my favorite parts about this bathroom in the 328 RL is the floor-to-ceiling storage. You need storage in everything, not just the kitchen, not just the living room, every single part of the coach. By having floor-to-ceiling storage, you have plenty of room for your towels, your washcloths, your soap, sunscreen, anything you need can be put right in here. We also do a 36-inch radius shower, which is plenty big enough to have plenty of room to move around in. You're not kind of stuck in a little rectangle. But not only that, we also use porcelain toilets across the board and everything, and pressed countertops to upgrade the lab in here.
I'm blown away. I can't spend enough time in this unit right now. It's really, really beautiful.
It's exciting. I'm looking forward to starting the week out here, and
Yeah.
I think sales are going to be strong, and we're going to be making a lot of campers' dreams come true.
It's going to be a good show. So if you're in the area, please come see us. We're in the Myers RV display at America's largest RV show in Hershey, Pennsylvania. And if you can't make it here today, stop by your dealership. Go online to KeystoneRV.com. We have a handy dealer finder. You can select Outback and find the Outback dealer closest to you. And soon we'll have pictures up of this unit, maybe even this week. So keep checking back with us, and we look forward to having you get to know the new 2022 Outbacks.